It's 6:30, and yesterday I had a chat with the manager, and he wants me to get some shots of the reception area behind me and the breakfast area over there. So we ended up filming the rooms as well, and it went pretty well. That was pretty fun to do. Then I went for a quick swim on the rooftop, and now I'm out to get a SIM card so I can finally join my friends when I'm outside of the hotel. So my friend Ray actually called me, and we're gonna have lunch together. Hey man, how you doing?
Good, bro. This is barbecued beef ribs, and they make it very soft, but it has the grilled taste with the peanut sauce.
What's this one? And what's the name of the place here?
Conro Caribosi. Try that.
In Legion?
Yes.
I'm at the Bali ice cream headquarters. I don't know if you can see. I'm probably in the dark now, but the office are behind me. And now we're on the rooftop. Ooh, pretty cool.
That's Sky Garden. See Sky Garden?
Yeah.
That's the famous.
Is that like a bar or pub?
Famous pub.
We should go there.
Huh?
We should go there one day.
Yeah.
Have a drink or something.
Yep. And this is the famous Poppy Stew Lane.
What is it called?
Poppy Stew.
Poppy's 2 Lane.
Yep.
Yeah, that's where we were earlier.
And that way is the beach.
There's the traffic.
Hi, buddy.
How are you?
Hello.
This is Laurent.
Hi, how are
Yeah.
you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good.
Can you say his name? Laurent.
Wrong.
I'll show you inside.
Oh yeah, the shop.
So this is where the magic happens.
Looks like I was ice cream videographer for a few minutes. But yeah, no more filming rooms, no more filming hotels and ice cream. Let's go to the beach now.